This time on building terminology, the dry pressed brick. So the dry pressed brick is a brick which is produced under high pressure in a metal mould using a free flowing clay or shale powder with a 5 to 10% moisture content. So a lot drier than an extruded brick. The best way to tell if it's a dry pressed brick is they will usually have an indentation, better known as a frog, in one side of the brick, which allows for the courses and the mortar to lock the bricks together better. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.